how to remove email from other devices. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you on how you can remove your email from other devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, very first of all, it depends which email service you're using, because the process is really different over here. If you're using Hotmail, the process is different. If you're using Yahoo Mail, that process is different. If you're using AOL Mail or Gmail or iCloud Mail, all of these processes are different. Now, the most common out of all this is of course Gmail, so I'm going to be taking Gmail as an example. But if you're trying for Yahoo or something like that, you cannot cover them in this one video, so you can instead search in our channel how to actually remove your Yahoo account from other devices. If you're searching for Hotmail, select Hotmail. Do not just type in email. So assuming that it is a Gmail account, because this is the most common one out of all them, you open up the Gmail application here, then you tap on the profile icon from the top right. Then here you can see this is my Gmail, which I want to remove from other device. So I can tap on the manage my Google account section, because Gmail ultimately comes from Google. So from here I can simply go to the option called security. Then when I go to the option called security, I can simply scroll down to the your devices section, then tap on the manage all devices button here. Then I'll be able to see a list of devices where I can simply select a certain device that I don't recognize. Then I can tap the sign out button to remove my Gmail ID from other devices. Now remember, if it was Yahoo Mail, the process could be a bit different. If it is Hotmail, that's a different. AOL Mail or Apple Mail, all of these email or different services has different type of processes. So I want you to basically check in that way. Instead of typing in how to remove email, I want you to type in how to remove Yahoo from other devices, or and so on and so forth. So I hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching, and see you soon in the